Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can see from the title, I'm going to be talking and showing you how I style my curly hair and what products I use, how I use. First is I'm gonna take my really kind of thick brush and just brush it through. And the really important thing before styling a wet hair, the curly hair, is always have it wet, because when you have it wet, then it's so much easier to style it, apply the cream or the oil or the special spray, because there's so many products that is out there on the market for you to be able to use to style it. So as you can see, it can be like dead straight, and then on the other side it's like curly, because I haven't dried it yet. And the also really important factor for the curly hair is what shampoo and conditioner you use when you actually wash your hair. So today I have used the Pantene, which is the normal one. I like to use and try new products. So the one I have used recently was with coconut oil, and it was really amazing. The hair was like really soft, and I have trimmed my hair like about a week ago, because it was like I just had so many split ends. So yeah, so after I have brushed it through, it's really like wet. It was like dripping wet, but obviously you can always take a towel so it doesn't drip and just go through the hair. So basically the first product I'm going to use after just washing is going to be the Pantene with Keratin. So as you can see, I'm gonna leave the link down below under the video so you can see. But we can get it from any like super drug boots, pharmacies, you know, just a normal beauty store. And I use that for my ends, so just like about like maybe 2-3 drops, and that would be enough, because it's really oily, so you don't want it to look like greasy. And then like softly just go through your hair, like from both sides. I would really recommend. And then what I would usually do for my ends is I would just take it and just like make sure that the keratin is applied on the ends. Taking the other side, do the same thing. Like I found that product, I remember, with my friend a year ago, and because I was looking for so many, like I usually use the liquid ones, like they just like with the fume, and they are good, but I think the best for the hair condition and the hair treatment is the actual cream for the hair. So I have bought the Shea Moisture with coconut and hibiscus curl enhancing smooth with silk protein and neem oil. As you can see, just this lighting. Sure, like everything's there, so it looks a bit like sticky, but I'm just gonna leave it like that for now while I do my second part of the hair. You can see it's already kind of like trying to become curly, because my hair, oh my god, it's so naughty. It's just like if I'm not using those products, it's just gonna like, you know, get fizzy, then it's just gonna split ends can appear within 2 days if I'm not gonna be doing these treatments. I used to have a longer hair, but then I was, you know, using the straightness, the curlness, and I think within like 6 months my hair was just like chopped. Within it was like, I think maybe under here, like yeah under the boobs, like up to here, and then within like 6 months it just went like gone. So basically that I have, make sure you don't forget the roots, because you don't want it to be like nice curly hair and then it's like fizzy there. So when I've done that, gonna take my nails, go through and like sort of massage my scalp so it's like everything is there. And then what you can do is like I like shrink it up. Same on that side. Just shrink it and some. For the third product that I'm using is going to be the Organic by Africa's Best Tea Tree Shine. So it has the extract of the tea tree. And I'm gonna obviously leave the link and all the details of the product under the video. So it's just like a little spray. It's also really oily, so you don't have to like do too much. So I just like spray here, spray there. But what I like about this product is that like the smell is always amazing. It just never smells bad really, like for me. Oh my gosh, I just love all of these products. So when I've done so, I'll always like to spray more at the ends because I'm trying to grow my hair now, so you know the ends and the roots is always really important. So as you can see, just lay it down there. Okay, so now that we kind of waited a while for it to like be absorbed, you can see how like the curls are getting more defined now. Like I just love it, and like the way I take it and it just like, you know, like slides up my hand. It smells amazing. So also like after I leave the cream for like, as I said, 5 to 10 minutes, I would also use the Cantu shea butter. So it's for natural hair with whip curling mousse. So it's good for people that obviously naturally have a curly hair. So you just have to shake it, then put, you can put more if you don't have a butter, but because I already used the cream butter product, I'm just gonna use a little. And then just go like over and just like, you know, scrunch it up, but and then just like the ends, massage the head. Now that is fully like, I would say, treated, I'm gonna get to the part where it takes the longest time. Is the hair drying. My Babalis, whoops, the hair dryer with obviously the diffuser. If you don't have a diffuser, then there's no point of doing all of that. So just so you know. And so I'm gonna use the medium heat, which is the medium heat, the medium speed, and like sometimes when I feel that it's too hot, I'm gonna use the rose button, so just to give like a bit of a coldness to my hair. So alright, so I'm gonna like just show you how I'm trying to dry my curly hair, so just have an idea, and then when it's a bit like half dry, I will show you how it became. So as I said, now I would say that it's about like 40% dry. So I just wanted to see kind of the progress. Like I've dried that bit more than this one, so I will show you in a sec when it's done fully. So now it's like, I would say maybe 60% ready, and I just wanted to show you guys how you can well, add on more volume to your hair when you like obviously drying it. So alright guys, so as you can see, I have blow dried my hair with this amazing diffuser, and whoops, it's really hot. And so it's like 95% kind of dry, but it just obviously like all of the oil and everything is like still kind of there, you know, holding it up. But as you can see, like the curls here are like really defined. But like what I also do is like when I want to like, you know, give it extra volume from the roots, is I would take like a little sort of brush the comb, and then take it from the roots and go like that from side to side. Wow. So I just usually like, you know, just brush it like that. And then like even through, you know, to like, so the hairs that was, you know, stuck together is like fully splitted all around. Okay. So now because I did do some brushing, I would like to like still make it even more defined, because like as you can see here, what it got like more fluffy. So I have another spray, which is got to be from Schwarzkopf. I don't know how to pronounce it. Mind blowing. So you can see I don't have like much left anymore. I need to buy it because I love that spray, and that one I always use when I have already like dried my hair, when it's like fully dried itself. So I'm just gonna take this bit to sort of show you and just spray like that. Oh. The ends. Spray all over. And you're just gonna, it's basically like a hairspray, but it's not hairspray. It's just like styling spray for heat protection, styling split styles, you know, it's just in general good. And just makes your hair so defined, you know what I mean? Like obviously hair is always the worst, so just fit as much possible. And I would like to do, so hard to do like in the middle of the hair, how I want to split it. And I'm going to take a bigger brush and just like, you know, go like that. It's not like brushing, it's just like, I don't know, popping it like, so it's not like stick together, as you can see. It's really defined now. So thank you for watching, and make sure you check all of the links down below, subscribe and share my video for someone who is struggling to take care of the curly hair. Thank you very much.